So in this video, I'll be talking about where you can find Hot Wheels online and offline. Alright, there are only so many places that we can find them right now because there are some people who are making this hobby a mess for everyone else. And by the end of this video, I will also tell you key points to remember if you are into this hobby, and whether you are a new collector or if you are collecting Hot Wheels for a while now. If you find it necessary to watch this video, please do so, because there are some pointers that I feel I have experienced and even you have experienced, so I have to address them out, and also will be giving you the details as to where to find these Hot Wheels. So starting off with, this is a Hot Wheels car. This is a mainline car, okay? And just so if you are new here, so this is a mainline car, and this is the series name, like then and now series, okay? And this is the name of the car, and this is the car itself. And you can see the MRP right here. As of 2024, it is 179 rupees, okay, Indian rupees. So this is the car. So now let's start with offline, where you can buy Hot Wheels in offline stores, okay? Offline stores, you can see if you are in big cities, okay, like metro cities or tier 1 or tier 2 cities, you have to check out Hamleys for sure. You have to check out the Crossword store. It is a bookstore, okay? If you have it in your city, you have to look for that. You have to look in stationery stores, like that sells stationery products, the novelty shops, and these are the places where you can find them apart from the big chains, okay? And if you are in tier 1 or tier 2 cities, and if you have a Sapna bookstall, you can check that out as well. Most of the time it is not in stock, but you have to try. And if there is a baby store like Kid Zone, KIDZON, Kid Zone, even they have stocked up recently in my area at least, and I'm from Karnataka. Apart from that, you can also check out Play Nation. They rarely have main lines, but you can ask for them. They have the 5 packs and other stuff, okay? As far as online goes, okay, so offline store, even Reliance is stocking up the Hot Wheels and all, so make sure you also check there. Your local marts could have that. I'm not sure, but in my area there was one local store that had supermart, which had these Hot Wheels main lines, but he stopped them now, okay? So continuing to the online stores, it is I will list down the sites here, okay? You can see them. First one is Cars and Dolls. So you can get I've tried Cars and Dolls time and again, and they have never been disappointing at all. It has always been a cool experience. Toy Marche as well, they are also a cool site and nice packaging, and they know like these are collectible items, so they will package it as such. Miniature Toy Shop is also a great site for you to find online mainline cars, okay? crazycaterpillar.com, I have ordered from that as well. A very good collection there, latest collection and all. And the next sites, toonywheels.com, tinytown.in, scalearts.in, toykra.com. These are the other recommendations from my fellow friend who's also a YouTuber. His channel is Tiny Motors Guild. Thanks to him. So these are the sites that are approved from both of us, okay? And it sucks, but I have to say this, that this is a game of patience, all right? So this is the first pointer of this game, that this is the game of patience. You have to be patient and not given to the people who sell these cars for an absurd amount of money. You might have come across Facebook pages, Instagram handles, WhatsApp groups who are selling these cars for insane amounts, right? I don't want to say that amount because even me saying that amount out loud seems so ridiculous, okay? So it has become really tiring and exhausting to be a Hot Wheels collector recently, and only thing that I can say is like we have to keep patience, and it is okay if you miss out on any particular casting or whatever it is. There is always a chance that you will be able to find that casting in some other color, okay, or somewhere in your local stores or somewhere online where even you're not looking for, okay. So keep that in mind, first thing. Second thing is, don't overpay any Hot Wheels, okay. Please don't overpay any of them, saying that okay, this is a rare car, okay. If they say it's a rare car, you just not say, you just say yeah, okay, yeah, it is a rare car, and sell it to someone who is so rarely awesome to spend so much money on such a simple car, okay. Because if you pay extra for this, whatever they are asking online, okay, that amount, you could actually get a mini GT car, you could also get a Hot Wheels premium car, right? So that is there. Never overpay anything. And if you see someone who is selling at overpriced and all, we can just make a note of them, okay, and share it in your collectors group to your friends who are collecting, and make them aware that this is a scam or this is a scalper who is selling these cars at an nonsense rates, okay. So helping our community to be aware of such scammers and such scalpers is a great thing. We always need to have each other's back, and that's what I'm doing with this video as well, okay. So these are the three major points that you have to remember, that you have to have patience. Don't give in to the hype and demand that is there on the Hot Wheels and make an impulsive purchase by paying extra amount, absurdly extra amount for a mainline car that is just costing you 179 rupees. And third is that you have to make a note of these scalpers and scams that are going on, and spread awareness in your community and among your friends. Bonus tip is this one. So whenever you see a deal on online, like as a Facebook page or an Instagram, which seems too good to be true, it is 99.99% a scam. Alright, so don't fall for that as well. That was your bonus tip for the video as well, okay. And yeah, if you want to know more about how Hot Wheels has categorized all their cars and all, let me know, and in the comment section just comment detailed Hot Wheels video. I will make sure that if I get more than 5-6 comments or even 10 comments, I will make a video on that, okay. So I was saying that also check out Landmark stores, and it is also an offline store. You can check it out if it's there in your area. Even they have a Hot Wheels collection. Also Blinkit, out of nowhere, Blinkit has partnered with Hot Wheels and they are selling Hot Wheels. Make sure you check that out as well. And also I would like to suggest, if you guys are going out in groups, if you go out in groups, to get the Hot Wheels and all, it is much better, because sometimes what happens, there are some shopkeepers who will demand you to buy 25 to 30 castings, 25 to 30 cars at a time. So in that case, you can go out with your friends and all of you can get your favorite castings, and it's a very interesting thing to do, and you can spend time with your friends, talk about some nonsense stuff, whatever it is, until the situation of Hot Wheels scalpers is cooled down. We have to make sure to keep these things in mind. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, and until then, do take very good care of yourself. Happy collecting and have a happy life.